5 advantages of civil engineering outsourcing services. If you are working on your own civil engineering and design company, have you ever considered outsourcing services? After you brainstorm thoroughly, you may realize outsourcing services will boost your project's productivity greatly. Let's go through advantages of civil engineering outsourcing. 1. Outsourcing non-core activities. Outsourcing such activities like grading, pipe network, plan sheet, drafting, and so on helps to put the focus back on the core functions of the business. In civil engineering and design, we have to perform multiple tasks at the same time, such as meeting with clients, going to construction sites, submitting plans to the government, printing plans, drawing, designing, checking the quality of work, planning setup, gathering information, and a lot of other works. Can you and your staff do everything? Yes, you can. But should you? Those tasks take your time, maybe more employees, more stress, more operating cost, more investment. To deal with those matters, why don't you outsource your business to another partner, such as a civil engineering's outsource provider, who can help you do non-core tasks while you and your key members focus on core activities? 2. Cost saving. This is an important factor for outsourcing with a big number of companies. The lower cost of operation, labor, and overhead costs makes it attractive to outsource. There's a wide gap in the pay for an average Vietnamese engineer in comparison with an average American engineer. For example, a good engineer in the US can cost anywhere from $30 to $50 an hour for a full-time staffer, depending on skills and experience. In comparison, the hourly cost of an engineer in Vietnam can be negotiated down to as low as $10 per hour. This pricing flexibility allows companies the freedom and creativity in managing their budget and helps them achieve large profits. 3. Increasing productivity and efficiency. A business can be more successful, better prepared for market challenges, and have a streamlined cash flow. Actually, outsourcing your business to a country with a different time zone like Vietnam means we do your work when you get out of your office, and then you get the work done on the next day. That helps you work on more projects and complete them much faster than normal. 4. Free a quality organization from investments. In technology, infrastructure and people make up the bulk of expenditure. The budget for PC, software, office, insurance will be put away immediately since having a quality outsourcing provider. 5. Outsourcing gives businesses flexibility in staffing, manpower management. A quality partner will help you save personnel costs and also pick the best people who work as project managers, team leaders to run your core functions. So, all the advantages of outsourcing listed above come with benefits at lower cost and big savings when you outsource services like civil engineering, designing, drafting, drawing, conversion. Hopefully, your business will find out the accordant partner who can go along with the journey.